What's good, YouTube? It's Lord Shift here. We're back at it again with another banger video. And today we're going to be installing my new paddle shifters for my 2019 Dodge Charger RT, made and designed by Grid Ready. So you guys are probably wondering, what is Grid Ready? I never heard of that. Well, they're a small company that makes car parts and accessories for Dodge Chargers, Challengers, Durangos, Jeeps, mainly most of the Dodge vehicles. I'll throw that list right up here. But they reached out to me and sent me paddle shifters made and designed by them that I will be giving an installation and review to you guys for them. So make sure you guys stay tuned to the end of the video. Smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and comment down below if you have any questions or concerns. Once again, I really apologize. We lost the daylight, so I'm kind of struggling using the flash and the car light right now, but hopefully you guys can see this beautiful box made by Grid Ready. And wait till I open it. You guys got to see the paddle shifters. These look crazy, especially on, on the Charger, I will believe. Wait till I install them. Y'all got to stay tuned to the end. But let's get straight to it. All right, so in this beautiful Grid Ready box we have here, we're going to open it up. You're going to get a little business card from Grid Ready. You're going to get the instruction manual. So if you guys don't know how to install the paddle shifters, this right here is going to help you out, obviously. There's also a YouTube video as well on how to install these. I'm going to put the link in the description below. And last but not least, we have the beautiful looking paddle shifters. These come in two different colors. You can get them in a black finish as well as a chrome or like silver finish. Like kind of same color as your stock paddle shifters. But we have the positive and negative. There's the positive one right here. These are aluminum as well. They feel pretty light. They feel good. I can't wait to install these. Here's the tools that it comes with. So you got the paddle shifters. You have the hex bit. It comes with this as well. And then this tool right here. So I'll show you guys how to use this in just a second. But I'm not going to lie. I'm ready to install these things on my car. So let's get straight to it. So as you guys can see, we got the stock paddle shifters right here. We don't want these anymore. We don't want these little silver shorties. We got to take these off, replace them with the Grid Readies. So I'm going to take this tool right here that comes inside of the box. Put this right in between there just like that. This piece should just fly right off just like that. And as you guys can see, this is the piece that came off right here. So save this because you are going to have to put these back on once you install the Grid Readies. But let's get to the next step. So as you guys can see, once we took the cap off, which was right here, you have these two screws. You have 1 and 2. You want to use the hex bit. It's a little hard to focus, but there's a hex bit that comes in the box. You want to use for those screws. So we're going to start off by removing the first one to the far right. Just twist it. It's a really small screw. You don't want to lose these, because if you lose these, pretty much lost the paddle shifter. So there's one of them right here. One more to go. Right in here. Sorry if the camera isn't really focusing like that. This is a really hard angle to record from. But there is your second one. And there's also this black thing that comes out with it as well. Just take the whole part out. But once you got those screws out, you just got the paddle shifter. You want to kind of like move it up and then like outwards. So it's a really hard angle, but I'll show you guys one more time. I'm gonna kind of move it outwards a little bit, trying to wiggle it out, and it should come right out just like that. And you're pretty much ready to just install the new aftermarket Grid Ready paddle shifters. Let's get to installing these things. So one thing to keep in mind when you install these, make sure you got the plus on the right side and the negative to the left side. It should tell you right there at the top of the paddle shifter. You remove this one, and we're going to install the new one. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so when you install this, it is a little hard at first. You kind of gotta like mess with it a little bit and get it in there. But what I did was I made sure that this edge of the paddle shifter was in this slot. You're gonna see a little slot behind here. So make sure that's in there first. And then kind of like push it back a little bit. Make sure this is kind of like tucked in at the same time. And then just push it back. And you gotta like angle the shifter in. And once you have it in there, should be good to go. There we go. Just like that. Just take some time, but it's pretty much in there. I just gotta put the screws in now, but that's the shifter. I ain't gonna lie, they look good so far, looking at it from this angle. Let's get to installing the screws back in and getting this paddle shifter secured. So we got one screw in there. Let's put the other screw right over here on this side. Just like that. Gotta kind of hold it with the tool at the same time and just spin it. Should go right in. Make sure it's nice and tight. You don't want it too tight, but you know, pretty tight. There you go. Shifter's in. Now, I'm gonna grab the first thing that you took off, which was like the overlay. Just push that right in, just like that. And your paddle shifter is now installed. Now I'm gonna knock out the other side. If you guys want a better video on how to install this, I will put that in the description below. From Grid Ready themselves, they made a video as well. This is just a little review, but that's how I did it. Now let me knock out this other side, and I'll show you guys how they feel. That is a little comparison between them. So you have the stock, and now you have the aftermarket paddle shifters from Grid Ready. They are in black as well, so it kind of gives it like a Batmobile look. I think they look 10 times better in my opinion. I will be keeping these on forever. So if you guys want to know where I got them from, Grid Ready is the way to go. Their Instagram will be in the description below, as well as their installation video. So let's knock out this other one. Alright guys, I ain't gonna lie, I'll give this a 10 out of 10 installation. These look 10 times better than the OEMs. In a black, like a satin black finish kind of. I definitely recommend these paddle shifters. They extend out a lot more, so it's easier to shift. And I'll definitely have to drive with these on and give you guys another review on these in my next POV drive video. Once again, I recommend them. If you guys want a pair of these paddle shifters for yourself, go tap into Grid Ready. Their Instagram is Grid Ready. That's the box. That's their Instagram. And I will throw their YouTube channel in the description below as well, so you guys can check them out. They do have like the installation video and stuff like that. This is just a little review to show you guys what they look like on my Dodge Charger RT. And you can install these on Chargers, Challengers, Durangos, Jeeps. I'll throw the list up there once again. But yeah, I definitely recommend these. 10 out of 10. And that's going to conclude the end of this video. I want to give a big thank you to Grid Ready for sending me these paddle shifters. It really means a lot. Thank you guys. And if you're tuned into this video, make sure you smash that like button. Go subscribe to Grid Ready and grab you a pair of these yourself. I really recommend it. It gives it a great look. On my Dodge Charger RT, it gives it that Batmobile look. I ain't going to lie. So go tap in with them and grab you a pair of these. And this Lord Shift, we out.